Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by using your Gmail because YouTube accepts only Google accounts for channel ownership. Sign in on YouTube with that Gmail. Once signed in, you'll see your avatar top right. Go to YouTube Studio to begin. Make sure two-step verification is on so your account stays secure. This step links identity and permissions, which is why Gmail is mandatory. After signing in, you're ready to create or manage a channel tied directly to that Gmail account. Once done signing in, create your channel. Click Create Channel under your account menu or inside YouTube Studio. Choose whether to use a personal channel or a brand account. Brand is useful because it lets others manage the channel without sharing Gmail credentials. Fill in channel name, avatar, description, and set upload defaults like privacy and tags. Configure channel layout, links, and channel keywords so discovery works. These configuration choices affect reach and access, so set them intentionally now. To finish, verify your account with a phone number so you can upload long videos and access advanced features like custom thumbnails and monetization. Upload your first video with a clear title, description, and tags. Set visibility to public, unlisted, or private depending on readiness. Customize thumbnails and end screens in YouTube Studio. If something goes wrong signing in or linking, clear browser cache, try incognito, or reset your Gmail password. These steps usually resolve credential or session problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.